How to find data and storage settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find data and storage settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and now click this settings icon in the top corner, and then click backup, and then click here is it, data and storage, and here you can manage storage. Just click manage storage, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.